Every garden has 4 different phases, okay? Every single garden has 4 different phases, okay? You guys keep tapping, I'm gonna keep talking. You guys keep tapping, and let's keep on riding it. Every garden has 4 phases. 1 is the planting. You can't get nothing if you don't plant something. Okay? The next one is the growing. The third phase is the harvesting. And last but not least, we have to have a little restoring. Okay, you gotta restore in order to repeat the cycle. Okay?